Hello everyone, in front of me is iPad Pro, and let me show you how to reset this device. So at first, tap on power button along with volume up button. Tap and hold them together, then just slide to power off. And once it is off, just tap both switches again. Wakey. Okay, so once you see the logo, you can remove fingers from both buttons and wait a couple of seconds. Then your iPad should be rebooted smoothly and you will be able to use it again in a normal way. And here it is, just unlock it and it should work properly. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.